Today I'm back out in the garage for a little bit. I plan to go about and remove the rear axle and leaf springs. I kind of want to get it out of the way so I can weld some areas on the rear inner arch area that I can't really do with the axle in the way. So I'm going to try to remove some of that. So let's get at it. Also, I went ahead and pre-soaked some of these with liquid wrench to try to loosen them up before I tried breaking them loose. So hopefully that helps me. And it's a pretty easy job. It should be only the shocks. I'm gonna drop the whole assembly down. So the upper shocks and then the front and the back of the leaf springs. So hopefully that'll all drop down and then I'll be good to go. So there's two shock bolts. There's one up there and then one back there. And then behind that there's the rear leaf spring to the shackle over there. And then one back there. And then there's just bolt here, bolt there. These are 18 millimeter. That was some work. And surprisingly, I didn't even tear the gloves, not once. Also, I plan on doing a 4-link on the rear of the caddy, so that's part of the reason why I'm pulling that out. Just because I'm not gonna use that. I don't know if I'm gonna use the drums or not. That's still up in the air, that's still a ways off, but I'm getting everything ready for 4-link, I guess. So that's why that's coming out. Plus I need more room to weld because I couldn't get in there before with the drum and the axle and everything. It was just a pain. So I probably could have dropped the front of it and then worked on it, welded it, and then put it back up, but I might as well just get it down now. If I need to move it around, I'll just build up either another rack like I have for the front, for the back, but I'll worry about that later. So I ended up getting the rear shocks off. One of them, I used the 15. I had to hammer it on and then back it out. The other one, I had to use a 9/16. I hammered it on because the 15 wouldn't fit, it kept slipping. So I hammered on a 9/16 and then loosened it up. Shocks are off. Well, I hope somebody got something out of this on how to remove the rear axle leaf springs from a caddy. I'm gonna go finish putting away this stuff and cleaning up my mess. But anywho, thanks for watching. everybody be kind to each other, because a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world. It's crazy. So be kind to each other, be respectful, don't try to hoard everything. It's not that crazy right now. Just be calm. We'll be okay. Thanks for watching.